Venus looks like Earth, but it can melt metal in minutes. This planet once had oceans, now it's hotter than an oven. What went wrong on Venus? And could it happen to Earth? For centuries, scientists believed Venus was Earth's twin planet, same size, similar gravity, right next door to us in the solar system. It looked like a paradise hidden under thick clouds, maybe oceans, maybe life. But when we finally uncovered the truth, we didn't find a paradise. We found a nightmare. This is the story of why Venus became a hell planet and what it means for our future. The twin that went wrong. In planetary science, Earth and Venus are often called sister planets. Venus has about 81% of Earth's mass, around 90% of Earth's gravity, a rocky surface, an iron core, just like Earth. If you stood on Venus, you would weigh almost the same. From space, they look like twins. But here is the shocking truth. Same hardware, completely different software. While Earth became a light-filled paradise, Venus became a dead, burning world. The mystery of the clouds. For decades, those bright white clouds on Venus hid everything. Scientists once believed the clouds were made of water vapor. The planet might be warm and wet, basically a tropical Earth. But reality was far more terrifying. Those clouds are actually made of sulfuric acid. Yes, acid. And beneath them lies one of the most extreme environments in the entire solar system. Missions to Venus, machines that did. We didn't learn the truth by looking through telescopes. We learned it by sending machines and watching them die. The Soviet Union led the charge with the famous Venera program. These missions were engineering miracles. In 1975, Venera 9 became the first spacecraft to send images from another planet's surface. Not Mars, Venus. The images showed sharp broken rocks, a dim yellow sky, a completely lifeless world. But the lander survived only 53 minutes. Later, Venera 30 lasted just over 2 hours. That's it. Even our strongest machines could not survive longer. Why Venus is so deadly? So, why Venus became a hell planet comes down to 3 brutal factors. Number 1 is crushing pressure. Surface pressure is 93 times Earth's, like being 1 kilometers underwater. You won't just burn, you did be crushed instantly. Number 2 is extreme heat. Average temperature 880 degree Fahrenheit. It means 471 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt lead, destroy electronics in minutes. Even Mercury, closer to the Sun, is cooler than Venus. Third one is toxic atmosphere. 96% carbon dioxide, thick, suffocating air, acid clouds that rain but evaporate before hitting the ground. Venus is not just hot, it's a trapped furnace. Venus once had oceans. Here is where things get really shocking. Scientists believe Venus once had liquid ocean, blue skies, a mild climate. Evidence comes from a clue discovered by Pioneer Venus mission. They found high levels of deuterium, a heavy form of hydrogen. This tells us Venus lost massive amounts of water over time. It was once a water world. The runaway greenhouse effect. So what destroyed? A process called the runaway greenhouse effect. Here is how it happened. First, the sun got brighter over time. Second, Venus heated up. Number 3, oceans began to evaporate. Number 4, water vapor trapped more heat. And fifth one, more heat caused more evaporation. A deadly loop that never stopped. Eventually, oceans completely vanished. Hydrogen escaped into space. Carbon dioxide built up endlessly. And Venus transferred into a permanent inferno. A warning for Earth. That is not just about Venus, it's about us. Earth's size is Goldilocks zone, perfect for life. But Venus shows us something terrifying. A planet can lose everything just by changing its atmosphere. No asteroid needed, no war required. Just physics. Can we ever fix Venus? People often talk about terraforming Mars, but Venus is the opposite challenge. Instead of warming a cold planet, we did have to cool a planet that's been boiling for billions of years. Right now, that's beyond our technology. So in conclusion, why Venus became a hell planet is not just a mystery. It's a warning. Venus is a mirror showing what could happen when a planet loses balance. It reminds us that Earth is not guaranteed to stay perfect. It's rare, it's fragile, and it needs to be protected. What do you think? Is Venus a lost cause, or should we try to tame it someday? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more mind-blowing space stories, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell, because the universe still has many secrets left.